Every Christmas, thousands of sellers flood Etsy with 3D prints that never move. So I pulled real data, views, revenue, and what people actually have sitting in their carts right now. And to make this list useful, I filtered everything by 4 things: fast to print, low material cost, strong search demand, and proven revenue from real sellers. These are the 10 Christmas 3D prints that are actually making money. Number 1. Personalized headphone stand. Personalized gifts explode during Christmas, and headphone stands are one of the strongest performers. Most listings land between $27 and $64, and customization lets you charge even more. There's a single listing with over 152,000 views and more than $86,000 in revenue, all from one design. Material is under $2, print time is 4 to 8 hours. The real bottleneck is competition. If your design looks generic, you get buried instantly. Clean shapes and strong photos are mandatory. A good strategy is offering 2 versions: a fast-ship non-personalized model and a premium engraved version for about $10 extra. That captures both last-minute buyers and higher-budget shoppers. Watch out! Most sellers forget that December shipping times are brutal. Fast prints like these keep you ahead of the backlog. Number 2. Crossbow dice. Roller and holder. Tabletop gaming is exploding, and this crossbow dice roller is one of the clearest examples. The top listing has over 322,000 views and roughly $220,000 in revenue in under 2 years. Price: $20 to $40. Material is around $1, and print time is 3 to 5 hours. The bottleneck is print orientation. If your supports aren't aligned well, the mechanism can jam or string. Test your model before you scale up production. Bundle it with a dice tray or engraving, and your average order value jumps instantly. Number 3. Amber table lamp. This lamp absolutely crushes during the holidays, sitting at over 210,000 views. Printed in translucent filament, it looks premium and photographs beautifully. Print time is 12 to 20 hours. Material cost is around $3 to $4. The challenge is simple: long prints fail. If your printer isn't tuned for tall, translucent work, this can get frustrating. But the payoff is big. Customers happily spend $60 to $90 once you add a warm LED kit. Number 4. Dog ring holder. This is a Christmas staple. The dog ring holder pulls over 200,000 views and sells all year, with December being the biggest spike. Material use is under 50 grams. Print time is 1 to 2 hours. The only bottleneck is detail quality. Tiny facial features can show layer lines. Printing at 0.16 or 0.12 millimeters makes a huge difference. And offering multiple breeds immediately boosts conversions. Pug owners want pugs. Dachshund owners want dachshunds. Number 5. Football mini helmet. Wall hanger. This one genuinely surprised me. Football mini helmet hangers are a niche gift item, but the demand is real. One listing has over 1,400 sales in just over 2 years, and the material cost is around 20 cents. Print time is roughly 45 to 90 minutes. The bottleneck here is strength. If your wall mount pegs are too thin or your layer lines run the wrong direction, heavier helmets will snap the mount. Print these at 3 to 4 perimeters and 25 to 35% infill, and you're golden. Number 6. Baby's first Mjolnir. Nerd parents love this. The top listing has over 163,000 views and very strong lifetime revenue. Print time is around 3 to 4 hours. Material cost a little over $1. Add name engraving, and you turn this into a premium Christmas baby gift instantly. Number 7. Super Mario Thwomp Tissue Box. Cover. Pop culture decor is always strong in December. This Mario Thwomp tissue box cover is funny, practical, and has hundreds of reviews backing it up. Print time is 10 to 14 hours. Material cost is about $3. Like any fan art, it sits in an IP gray zone. Number 8. Break glass in case of emergency. This is a perfect Christmas novelty gift. The current top listing hit 16,000 views in just 5 months. Print time is 2 to 3 hours and the material cost is under $1. The The bottleneck isn't the print, it's the insert. Your photos need to show something clever inside, like chocolates, cash, or mini bottles. Plain, empty photos don't convert. Number 9. Flipper Zero Wi-Fi Case. The Flipper Zero niche is growing fast. One listing has over 46,000 views and more than $15,000 in revenue. Print time is 45 to 90 minutes. Material cost is minimal, but the audience is picky. Tolerances must be dead on. Even 0.2 millimeters off and you'll get complaints. Test your fit before you list. Number 10. RC Thumb. Screw nuts. This is a surprisingly strong niche. RC hobby upgrades. Material cost is tiny, maybe 10 to 20 cents per screw, and the entire batch prints in under an hour. The bottleneck is simple: tolerances. RC hobbyists care deeply about fit and durability. If your threads aren't clean or if the inserts don't sit perfectly, you'll get returns. So that's the list: 10 Christmas 3D prints backed by real Etsy data, real views, and real revenue. Some are premium, some are cute, some are full-on nerd gifts, but all of them are proven sellers. If you want a deeper dive with the full data spreadsheet, follow along and tell me which niche you want next.